Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter housing O-ring in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water filter housing O-ring. This O-ring seals the water filter cover connection to the filter base. It's located in the upper right corner of the fresh food section inside of the water filter cover. If there's a water dripping down the filter cover, check and replace the water filter housing O-ring. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. I will place a towel underneath because we might expect some water dripping down. And we're gonna unscrew that, turning it counterclockwise. And drop it down. And be careful. It will have some water inside. Alright, so now we're looking inside this cover. I already emptied out because it was full of water. And now we're going to remove the old O-ring from this cover. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry it out. This is the old water filter housing O-ring next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so now we're going to install the new O-ring into this filter cover. Drop it in. And let's go right in that little shelf here. Make sure it's in. And I'm going to push it in with the flat blade screwdriver, just into that groove. And now we're going to install it into the fridge. Alright, gonna place it over the water filter, lift it up, and I'm gonna put it on the threads and turn it clockwise. And I'm gonna tighten it. Do not over tighten. Don't break your chops. And now I'm gonna remove the towel. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.